Welcome to the Johns Hopkins International Injury Research Unit. My name is Adnan Hyder, and I have the privilege of directing this research unit. The Johns Hopkins International Injury Research Unit is located at the Bloomberg School of Public Health at Johns Hopkins University. The unit is hosted by the Department of International Health, which is the largest department of its kind in the world. The Injury Research Unit has been created as of 2008 to respond to the growing epidemic of injuries and violence around the world. We are privileged to be a World Health Organization collaborating center on injury and violence prevention. In fact, we are only one of 3 such accredited units in the United States. Our unit represents the interdisciplinary approach to injury prevention. And in fact, we have colleagues in the unit that span the disciplines of epidemiology, biostatistics, public health sciences, health economics, sociology, anthropology, and many other qualitative and quantitative skills. We also span the whole range of injuries. For example, we work on unintentional injuries like road traffic injuries, drowning, poisoning, falls, and burns. We also work on intentional injuries or violence issues such as homicides, suicides, assaults, or gender-based violence. In fact, in considering all of these different types of injuries, we work all the way from prevention, that is, primary prevention of these issues, to acute care, that is, immediate assistance needed after the occurrence of such events, and to long-term management and care, such as disability issues as well. The Johns Hopkins International Injury Research Unit has special expertise in working on injuries in the developing world. Our work in low and middle income countries is widespread. We've had projects and currently do work in Asia, Africa, Latin America, as well as the Middle East and Central Asia. Our projects are of different types. For example, we are currently working in a major global road safety projects in 10 countries around the world, in which we are responsible for evaluating programs implemented by partners such as the World Health Organization or the Global Road Safety Partnership. This project is funded by Bloomberg Philanthropies. We are also doing projects in the arena of injury and trauma capacity development. For example, we've had a project funded by the National Institutes of Health and the Fogarty International Center in Pakistan for over 8 years. In that project, we are working with the Aga Khan University in developing capacity in emergency medicine, acute care, and trauma research. Another different type of project that we are currently involved with is to look at strategies that can prevent drowning in young children in Southeast Asia. And in this project, funded by Bloomberg Philanthropies, we are looking at prevention of drowning in under 5 children in Bangladesh. We in fact work with great collaborators in the country to explore new interventions and the new use of older interventions to explore how they might prevent such injuries occurring to young children. The Johns Hopkins International Injury Research Unit also offers academic programs and training. We have a wide spectrum of courses that we offer both on campus and online through the Bloomberg School of Public Health. These include courses on the basic understanding of the global burden of injuries, looking at injury surveillance systems, or looking at the relationship between injuries, economic development, and poverty. We are very pleased to offer a free online training program on global road safety. You can access this free online training program through our website and our training tab. The Injury Unit is also supportive of service to other organizations around the world. We work with UN agencies such as the World Health Organization, collaborate with private sector groups such as the Global Road Safety Partnership, and also participate in non-governmental organizations and professional societies, such as the Road Traffic Injuries Research Network, as well as working with NGOs such as the Association for Safe International Road Travel. The Johns Hopkins International Injury Research Unit welcomes your interest. We hope that whether you're interested in research, training, or service, you will reach out to us, tell us about the work that you do, and see how we might collaborate or offer assistance in any respect. Thank you for visiting our site, and we look forward to hearing from you.